Hey guys, what's going on? I was just thinking about creating 2D tank game video tutorials in Java. So, would you like me to do this video tutorials, guys? So, leave your opinion in the comment below so that I can make sure, and I will try to make video tutorials on creating 2D tank games step by step, and I'll show you everything, guys. It would be really helpful for you guys. So, leave your opinion in the comment below, and just consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that like button. It would really help me to grow my channel, guys. So see you soon, guys.